As we all know, retail's a tough business, and having to worry about shop repairs and maintenance only makes it tougher. Blown lights, loose fittings, or whatever today's problem is reflects poorly on your brand and can be a real time waster. But now there's a simple solution to all this, called Ticked Off. You simply log a request along with photos of the problem. Then a request can be approved in accordance with set rates. The job is assigned to one of our certified tradespeople and a time scheduled for the repairs. The work is completed and you receive photos of the finished job. Our tradespeople and your staff leave each other feedback. With Ticked Off, repairs are done promptly, professionally, and cost-effectively. Better still, you can track the process throughout, so nothing falls through the cracks. So why not leave the repairs to us while you get back to more important things like customers and sales? Talk to us today.